early bird gets the worm. So does that mean that Olivia Bird is going to get the title? Is she going to get the championship belt, or will Miss Love show her no love and take that belt from her?
The world may never know. But no, we about to put on a motherfucking show though.
That was a cute answer.
That was just as cute as I am.
But she about to get another loss on her belt. But it's all good. I'll teach her how to win after I beat her.
Listen, the cheek feathers, keep them, baby. We ain't here for the cheek feathers. It's okay. You threw your shades on. You got the cheek feathers going.
Listen,
we get it, but
I don't know what you doing.
Thank you for being here. Appreciate you, Birdie. But we already know that baby will fly right on.
Bird got me, honey.
Feel that way though. But I love when people underestimate things that come in so strong. It'd be like, wow, not you just getting here and coming in so strong. You haven't even
because I'm born for this.
For real. So it would just be like, how can you just come so strong like that? It'd be like, humble yourself.
No, I don't need. I'm only humble about my blessings.
Grace.
The Performance Battle League, Philly, March 30th. The battle is on.